And the cosine of x compares adjacent. So cos x is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. That is what you have to know. But the question is, do we have the PR, which is the hypotenuse? We don't have it. For the adjacent, that has been given to be 15. So we have to work for PR in this case. So let's work it right now. And I guess, the method that we're going to use here, that is the Pythagoras theorem. We're going to use it to find PR. So let's do it. The square of the hypotenuse, that is PR squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. So you have PQ squared plus QR squared. If you don't know this property, this method or this theorem, go and watch my video on the Pythagorean theory, that is unlocking the secrets of the Pythagorean theorem. I've done a video on that. You can go and watch it and you understand it. Now let's move on to it. Let's move on. So PR is what we are looking for. So still have PR squared, which is equal to PQ has been given to be 8. So that's going to be 8 squared. And QR is 15. So it's going to be 15 squared. So we have PR squared. The square of 8 is going to be 64. And the square of 15 is going to be 225. We are just multiplying 15 by itself. Now, PR squared, we can add this to 225 plus 64. That's going to be, 289. That is this. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 8. 289 is what we are going to get here. So what do we do next? We have to find PR by finding the square roots of both sides. So that's going to be the square root of PR squared equal to the square root of 289. So this square can cancel the square root so that we have PR equal to the square root of 289. 289 is a perfect square. Now, if you don't know, you just ask yourself which number would you multiply by itself to get 289. You can use trial and error to get it. So in this case, the answer is 17. So that means that PR is 17. Okay, so we can go ahead and find the cosine of x. That is what the question is demanding, this one. So let's do it right now here. Okay, so this implies that the cosine of x that is given by adjacent over hypotenuse is now equal to adjacent. Adjacent to this acute angle is 15. So you have 15 out of hypotenuse, which we just got to be 17. So the cosine of x is equal to 15 out of 17. We can simplify 15